What is up guys, Stanley this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate to sections in Card. So first you need to head over to the cards.co's website, and after that you need to log in with your card account, and after that you need to select your site that you want to edit, and after selecting, on the right side you will see this plus icon. Click on that and then click on control. After clicking on control, your site's section view will open. From here you can control all the sections of your site, and you can drag and drop them according to your wish and requirements or anywhere that you want. And after that, if you want to create a new section, you can create from one of these, let's say a footer marker, and after that you just need to give it a margin. As you can see, the margin is increasing and it is even showing it in my site. Say I want to give this much, I'll keep it like this, and when I'm done, simply click on done, and then as you can see, my footer starts from here. And this is how you can navigate to sections in Card. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.